Greetings from Oxnö in Haninge. It is 1st of July 2025. Welcome July, and I am on a full day tour here on the beautiful Baltic Sea in Haninge to cherish this super hot day. It is 27 degrees Celsius what it says for Stockholm, but here on the sea it's a bit chillier than that. It's not that hot, especially with the wind that comes here, but I'm always putting the temperature of when I from the Google search of Stockholm weather, so it says 27 degrees, which it is in the center of the city. Here is slightly colder. Based on what I have searched for Haninge, it's 25 degrees. So here on the coast, even hotter, colder it will be, which is amazing to get escape from the hot weather. Not as hot as the Mediterranean heat, but this is as hot as it gets in Stockholm, Sweden, and I just love it. So I was spending most of my day at a pearl that I have found 600 meters away from here, half spotted, a beautiful pebble beach, and I have started to walk along the coast to get to Oxnö Klippbad. But then I found a beautiful place here that looks exactly the same like Oxnö Klippbad, but without any people, as I realized that there will be definitely people at Oxnö Klippbad, which is more of a easier spot to get with a car, and people go there. Those rocks and cliffs over there are fantastic anyway, but I always tend to go to places where there is no one and this is one of those. So I have been walking along these rocks, and it was so amazing to be able to have this type of nature on the Baltic Sea just for yourself. It's incredible. Well, the coast of Sweden is quite long, so there is place for everyone that wants to enjoy in freedom and peace and quiet. Beach the number 46 is today, and I have already been in the water a few times, including the episode that you have seen already. But now let's see if I can jump here, or I can find some spot to get into the water, as it looks a bit dangerous, as this is basically open sea. Look at the waves that are coming in, and I just love it. It is quite far actually for me to get here with the public transport. 1 hour and 40 minutes was the total ride of combination of bus plus train plus bus, so 2 buses and 1 train to get. And but it's definitely worth it, especially on a hot day like this. And I see it is very deep over there, so I'm gonna try to jump into the water as I'm letting you enjoy this wonderful view. And yeah, 27 in the air for Stockholm at least, and 17 degrees in the sea over here. Quite amazing. Yes, it is definitely deep over there, so I will be jumping. It looks so amazing. So yeah, then let's jump into the Baltic Sea here in Oxnö in Haninge. Whew. Those waves are wild. Okay. It's actually very slippery. Temp right here. So I'm gonna jump anyway. Ready, set, go! I'm alive! Oh my god, this is so amazing. It is very deep over here and the water is so clean. And it looks really amazing. Look at this spot, look at this untouched piece of nature. It's beautiful, beautiful. Perfect day. I couldn't have gotten any better this beautiful day. Both here and then earlier on the Pebble secluded beach I have been to. What a day to be alive. What a beautiful 1st of July. Okay, let's go in. Amazing, amazing indeed. Beautiful, beautiful nature all around. So yeah, I will be enjoying now for an hour or so here before I take the bus that goes not so often from here. But right now it is 4:45 p.m. and there are 2 buses left for today in 1 hour and in 2 hours. This is the last one at 6:46. So I will be definitely swimming once more before I head back to my home. But it's a beautiful sunny day. I have been here now for almost 7 hours, which is amazing, and actually 6 but 1 more hour pending. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Oxnö, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.